Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge. The theme is winter and Christmas, and we'll talk more about this a little later, so let's get started with DIY number 1. The items you need is this novelty drink cup from Target's Dollar Spot, gingerbread man buttons and candy embellishments are from Hobby Lobby, extra fine glitter, red glitter glue, and a glue gun. The first thing to do is fill in the holes with red glitter glue. Next, adhere these onto the straw. Look how cute this looks. Next, pour in the desired amount of glitter. You can use some wire cutters to remove the loops from the peppermints. Now you can drop in all the embellishments. I'll add the straw and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is, the Gingies are having a Candyland party in there. I think this looks so cute and festive, and it's perfect for your tier tray. Today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge, and the theme this month is Christmas and Winter. I have 3 DIYs for you today, and the host is Corey from Crafted by Corey. I'll leave the channel link for this great talented lady, as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box. So please check them out, and with all that being said, let's continue crafting. For the next DIY, you'll need these crafter square items from the Dollar Tree, including the chair from the toy section, and this little set of mini shapes is from Hobby Lobby. You'll also need some various paint colors, glitter, and a glue gun. Now I'll go ahead and paint these. I brushed on some Mod Podge on the bow, and then I'll add some glitter. I'll also add some gold glitter too. I've already added some puffy paint, and now I'll use a Sharpie marker to fill in the eyes. I'll adhere the star to the tree. It's a little oversized, but I like the whimsical look to it, and I'll also add some of this Dollar Tree garland. I added some pompoms for the ornaments. I'll put this all together, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here they are, looking so cute and playful. I put some Santa hats on them, and I think this turned out so adorable. For the last DIY, here are the items you'll need from the Dollar Tree. This shadow box house, miniature fences and Christmas trees, and you'll need these items from Hobby Lobby from the My Little Christmas line, including scrapbook paper. And last but not least, you'll need some paint colors, glitter, embellishments, and a glue gun. Now it's time to paint these. Next, I'll brush on some Mod Podge, and then I'll throw on some glitter. After this dried, I traced out the scrapbook paper and I adhered it inside the house, and then I'll add the door and window. I would like the trees to sit more to the back, so here I'm using my miter shears to cut off some of the base of the tree, and then I'll give it a haircut. I cut a picture of a tree from scrapbook paper and I glued it onto yellow construction paper, and look how cute this window looks. The fences fit in perfectly in the shadow box, just adhere them with the glue gun. I'll complete the house, I'll add these embellishments, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is, all completed. I added a gingerbread baby, also from Hobby Lobby, and a Merry Christmas sign from a Dollar Tree window cling. I think this little house is so festive, cute, and adorable. Please let me know which one of these DIYs is your favorite, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!